Hi everyone. I had a little project that I had started working on, and I thought I would just include you guys in it just because it was so simple, and I had all the things here that I needed for it. What I had seen was a picture on Pinterest of several birds on a piece of like twine, and this whoever had pinned it had decorated her mantle area with this little swag of birds that were actually, I'm sure they were wood because they had a chalkboard finish, and they were purchased at a store, and I've checked and they're not available anymore. So even if they had been available, I think I still would have made it just because it's so simple. But I took some cardboard and just doing the same idea out of this real thick cardboard. It's like a double layer of corrugate. I don't know if you can see that there or not, but it's real heavy duty. And I'm just cutting them out with an X-Acto knife, and then I'm gonna paint them black and string the twine through there. And I just thought I'd share it to show you guys how simple it is, and probably won't be a very long video, but it just appears that it's going to be very simple. So my birds, I actually had used this the stencil from Donna Downey, and I made a couple of bigger ones and a couple of the smaller ones. That's the one I'm doing here now. And then I did this other little bird from another, it's from a die that I had, a set of dies. So anyway, I'm just cutting the bird out, and then I'm going to throw a little paint on them, and I'll show you what it looks like when I get them strung, and then hopefully when I get them hung up, I'm gonna put them in my laundry room. And I've been wanting to do this. I saw this picture probably over a year ago, and I've been wanting to do this, and I've been wanting to make that little canvas that I made in my previous video, and not a canvas, but that little collage piece that I made. I've been wanting to do these things, and I keep thinking about them and thinking about them, and I finally decided I'm going to just do a couple of these things. It's starting to weigh on my brain now, you know, putting it off for so long. So I'm getting a couple of things done, just fun little projects that I've been wanting to do. Now that the holidays are past and I've got a little bit more time, I'm just trying to get a few things done. So so that's what this is about. So when they get cut out completely, I'm just taking this little sanding block, and I'm just kind of going over the edges a little bit just to get the rough edges, kind of not rough edges, but kind of straggly pieces of the cardboard, you know, kind of smoothed out. And if there's any areas that are cut out and they look sort of like straight edges instead of curves, this will help to make the curve nice and smooth on the head or the body, wherever it's needed. So I just am doing that, and then I'm going to put a little paint on them, and I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm back and I've been stringing the little birds onto the twine. I just wrapped a piece of Scotch tape around the end to make it stiffer, and I'm just kind of working it into the holes that I made with the scissors, and then just sliding the birds along on the twine. I'll get them positioned the way I want them once I get it on the wall, but I'll at least have them in place before I get up on a ladder. Okay, last one. Okay. There we go. Okay, now. Okay, so I have all 5 birds, and I know you can't see them all in one shot, but they're all across the twine. And I'll get it hung up and hopefully take a picture and show you what it looks like hanging in my laundry room. So I know this was a short little video, but I just wanted to share it because it did turn out to be a really simple little project to do. And so, you know, maybe some of you would want to try it. And you don't even have to have a stencil to draw a simple bird shape. I mean, these are just so easy and so basic, and there's no detail on them. So basically just getting the shape of a bird is all you're looking for. So anyway, I will see you guys on the next video, and thank you so much for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.